Hey guys, I'm not sure if you've seen them on Instagram, but I always get ads for a company called Soto Studios that has like sticker books and different kind of journaling things. And I decided to order some stuff. All right, my scissors are not working well. I decided to order some stuff for them. This is not sponsored anyway. I paid full price. I don't even know them as a company. And I just wanted to give you guys a first look at what I ordered and my impressions. Let's see, because I've been seeing they keep showing these really cute sticker books. So I ordered some for me and I ordered some for my mom. So Mom, if you're watching, turn the video off now, please. Thank you. Okay. So give her a second. Seriously, turn the video off, Mom. Here's a little thing. Card hunt, enter rule. What? Card hunt. 3 cards reward. Collect and submit pictures of 3 different cards to receive a $10 discount code. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I will be saving that card just in case. You never know if I really like them. Let's see how's the lighting. Well, let's see what else is in here. Oh, that is my invoice. All right, it says thank you for your order. Ooh, and this paper's really pretty. I bet you I can use it. Let me just tear it very nicely. All right, so far so good with the presentation. All right, well, this is extra. I did not order that. Free gift. Ooh, nice. A little like journal clip. These are also free. And they sent me cats. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. That's cute. Oh, okay. Well, I'm liking this already. What is this? I have no idea what these are. Maybe jellyfish? Right? Kind of, maybe? Okay, let's keep going. Oh, and these cards, like for junk journaling. I've not done any kind of junk journaling, but my mom's into that, so these might be going to her. But how nice of them to send this stuff. It's like a, I don't know how to describe the paper. It's kind of rough, kind of feels old. This just feels like a postcard. All right, very nice. Oh, and this too. Oh, look how pretty that is. You see that? Okay. All right, well, I like my free stuff. Thank you, Soto Studios, for the free gifts you included. These are pretty. Little birdies. All right, here's the books. So I got 2 of each because one's for my mom. Let me put those aside. And we will go through these. All right, so this one was called Sound of Wind Flower Color Sticker Book. Let's open it. And please don't look at my nails. I have an appointment to go get them painted. Okay, so let's look at it. I'm going to do a quickish flip through. Okay, this is on clear. They're really nice. Okay. I am not unhappy. Go for it. Just do it. Let's see if they're cut well. Yep, they are. Nice. All right. Very cute. Nice flowers and tulips. It says Saturday. Kind of just a random Saturday. Hunger for. Okay. All right, now these are paper. That's paper stickers. Let's keep going. These are nice. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use these. Now the shipping took a little longer than I expected it to. This is nice. These are all paper. But it wasn't bad. I mean, just don't expect it, you know, the following week. This is kind of weird, like a Tuesday. I don't know. But you know what? Who needs that? There's lots of stuff in here that's really cute. Oh, and some boxes on paper. Some strips. These are like separate little stickers. These are very nice. Okay, so that one is Sound of Wind Flower Color. Fashion Girl. I really like the colors on this one. Let's see. Fashion Girl. Ooh, nice. Very cute. Very, very cute. I wonder, should I go down a little bit more for you guys? There, that's better. Make sure I don't move it out of the way. Okay. That is cute. I love you with a beginning but not an end. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Okay. Active lifestyle. These are cute. What does that say? I don't know. It says something in a different language maybe. Cute. Nice. Oh, she's nice. I like her dress. Beautiful day. All right, now these are on paper. How cute. Wow. There's a lot of good stickers in here, you guys. Now, that's a little risque for me, but some people like those types of stickers. Those are pretty. Okay, I am super happy with my purchase so far. And I think my mom will like these for sure. Cute. All right, so Fashion Girl. All right, now Beautiful Flower. Okay. It says 20 different content. Oh, this is the front. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Those are pretty. Petty. This is gorgeous. And these are on clear. Let's see if they come up, if they're cut well. It looks like it is. Yep. All right. Nice. It's like a peach and a blue. Very cute. Very nice. And you know what? I'm going to have to go and look and see how much I paid for these because I totally don't remember right now. Okay, so this is weird. This is, I want to say, is it even cut? Ooh, it is. It's like washi. It's like a washi paper. That's neat. Very cool. So this is like washi paper that these flowers are printed, and it's cut so you don't have to like cut them out. That's nice. Ooh, look at these. Those are pretty. And this is just regular paper, regular sticker paper. And I like the corners, they're nice. Very cute. Ooh, lots of pretty flowers in here. Ooh, I like these. Purple. Very nice. Kind of weirdish boxes. These are cute. All right, well, I like them. I'm happy with my purchase. Let me pause that for a second, and I'm going to see exactly how much I paid for these. Hold on one second. Okay, so each book was $10.99. And shipping, let me see, they charged, oh, it's free shipping. Yeah, because it was like if you order, I think over 50 or 60, it was free shipping. So these are very cute. It seems to be really good quality. And that is from Soto Studios. I'll have a link in the description just so you guys can, you know, go to it and see what else they have. They have tons of books, and they're all about that price. I think that's a pretty good value for $10.99. So, yep, there you go. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.